Talking about the Motorpart brand, I joined Midas in 1998. The brand had already been introduced, and started around about the middle of 1997. 3 product lines in the range. Due to product acceptance by customers, we found that the demand for the brand was growing. We made contact with all our customers about the brand. They liked what they saw and started requesting more product to be added to the range. Since 98 up until recent, we've introduced ranges on a continual basis. We now got 42 product lines in the range, and consistently growing. So we're very proud about the brand, and obviously being a Midas brand, it's very important to us, and people can buy it with confidence because of the fact that it's backed by a group such as the Midas Group, which is part of the bigger Imperial stable. I can tell you without hesitation that when I need parts for my own vehicle, family or friends, I don't hesitate to recommend Motorpart.